Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of April 26th through May 2nd in my Recollections Celestial planner using this beautiful kit from the Giving Girl. I have already pre-planned out my week as I always do. I pre-plan what I know is going to be happening and I leave a lot of white space. Because I go in and memory plan day by day with the things that happened and kind of memory keep with the leftover stickers from the kit and my own collection. So if you want to watch me memory plan, then let's go ahead and get started with Monday. I'm going to go ahead and grab a half box from the kit and start off by marking that I made a sale from my Sun's Bearded Dragons old tank slash terrarium. So I am using a daisy like a cute daisy deco from a sampler from the Giving Girl, and then this money bag icon from the kit, just to mark that I met him. He came over to our house to pick up the tank at 9:30 in the morning, and it was so annoying because I put it on offer up and I got so many people messaging, oh, is this available, is this available? And then when I say yes, they just have nothing else to say, and I'm like, what are you doing just reaching out to people for no reason? If you're not like, you're just gonna like ghost me, you know what I mean? Like, what is this available? Like, yeah. Why are you asking if you're not going to buy it? So, and then this guy, he said he would be there at 9 a.m. and he was half an hour late and didn't even give me a heads up. So like, what the hell? Anyways, I hate selling things to random strangers. So then that was to mark that. Then I'm going to get one of these fun size midi boxes from the kit. I'm going to layer that with a cat butt from Strawberry Creek and then one of this pretty starry decos from Letters to Apollo. And then I have a Sadie's stickers divider. I love how thin and dainty they are, but it is a little long. It's not going to fit, you know, it's going to go over the cat butt if I put it there. So I'm going to cut it, just trim it and put a little like divider above the box. And that's just to mark that we had to go to PetSmart. I think it was to get some bugs for the lizard. So didn't have anything to do with the cat, which is what I usually use the cat butts for, was like, you know, PetSmart trips. But, I don't have anything gross like a bugs or something to mark that, so I just used the cat related thing. Anyway, I'm going to take another one of these daisy boxes. Well, I don't know why I said another, but from that same sheet or whatever, you know what I mean? The sampler from the Giving Girl has a bunch. It's so perfect for this kit because the colors are perfect. It's got the hollow foil and then it's got these cute little flowers and such, so it's perfect for this kit. So I try to pull it in a lot. And I used that box with a shopping cart from the kit just to mark that I had to go to Walmart for my mom. And then I'm going to take a bow, like a circular bow icon from the kit, and then a nail polish icon from Creates Co, which is a shop that I PR for. Make sure you use my code to save and get my freebie. Because I had to fix one of my nails, the corner of the polish chipped off, and so I just had to take that off and kind of redo that nail. And I also put a little twinkle from Simply Watercolor Co. I have this like purple hollow sheet of kind of like just deco that I put on top of the nail polish. And for my gratitude, I wrote Tara's friendship because I have known her for a long time here in the planner community. She's the Sticker Garden and we used to PR together and she's so sweet. And she just reached out to me and like had wanted to send me like a big old like Happy Meal package. So that was really sweet. Then on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl and then a fancy heart icon from Honey Inked to mark that my in-laws came by to install the new ceiling fan for our bedroom, because they recently upgraded their ceiling fan and so they let us have their old one. So I was pretty happy about that because it's like much nicer and bigger. Then I'm just taking a little thing from the kit and then it looks like a little for sale tag or something, so that's why I used it. And I just wrote $2 Tuesday because there was a few shops that I purchased from for $2 Tuesday. And then I used a pretty Sadie stickers divider to go in between. My gratitude for Tuesday was that I was fully vaccinated because, as you can see, for Tuesday we got our second dose shot of the vaccine, so I'm grateful that we got that out of the way. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to take a what is this? It's like a circular kind of box with the pretty crescent moon and it's made out of flowers. It's so pretty. That was a $2 Tuesday from the Sticker Guru, which is a shop that I used to PR for, but I think my term just recently ended on April 30th. So I apologize if you can't use my code if it doesn't work. I'll still list it below in case they are extending it or anything, but if you try to use my code and it doesn't work, then that's why, sorry. So I was feeling a little rundown from the shot. I layered that with a leafy deco from Honey Inked and then a migraine slash headache emoji from Coffee Monsterz Co. Which I didn't really have a migraine or headache or anything, but that was kind of the only thing that portrayed me feeling a little run down. Luckily, that was the only thing the only kind of symptom, a side effect or whatever that I had. I didn't have any other issues after getting the shot, and I wasn't even feeling that bad because I was still able to take my mom to her doctor appointment. I still worked out. I just did like a little bit of a lower intensity workout, but I still worked out. I still took a walk. It was basically like business as usual with a lower intensity workout. So I'm grateful that I didn't feel worse because I heard from a lot of people that they felt really bad. Anyway, speaking of taking my mom to the doctor, I just used a scalloped quarter box from the kit with the stethoscope from the kit and then one of those daisy teardrop icons from the sampler to mark taking her to the doctor. And then I'm using another one of those daisy fun size boxes with a Dash of Sun Designs, which is a shop by PR4. Again, my codes are down below. Money icon, money bow icon, because my husband got the job he interviewed for. They called him back and they offered him the job, and he's going to start towards like the end of May. So we're really excited and really happy for him. Now I just have to get one. And then I'm going to layer a couple of these little hidden flags that are in the older formatted Giving Girl kits. They're so cute and tiny. So I'm going to layer those together. And then I have one of these really pretty bow paper clips from that sampler, little freebie, just to celebrate my husband getting that offer letter. We got chilies to go, and we also went to this store called Thrive. And then for my gratitude on Wednesday, I wrote his new job. He's going to be working like it's a permanent work from home position, which is pretty great, I think. I mean, because then he doesn't have to drive anywhere and he can just work from the comfort of his own home. So that's pretty neat. Apparently what they said about the position was that it used to be at a call center, but since the pandemic, they had everybody working from home, and then they just kind of made a permanent work from home position. So he's excited. Then on to Thursday, I'm going to grab one of these moon phase washi strips, sticky note boxes from Letters to Apollo, as well as one of their moon phase mandala. I don't know, is that what it was called? It was from $2 Tuesday a while back. A moon mandala, that's it. And then I have a nail polish hand doodle from Watercolor Designs, just to mark that my Holo Taco pastel rainbow collection came in. I'm so excited to use it. It's so pretty. I just wish that it could have come before Wednesday, because Wednesday is my nail day. It was supposed to come on Tuesday, and then it got delayed in the USPS because of course. So now I have to wait until next week to use them, but I'm so excited. I love Holo Taco and Christine, and it's such a pretty collection. The rainbow collection, it's like based off the rainbow collection, but pastel version, and it's so up my alley because I'm not really here for like bright colors. I do like to tone it down. I mean, these beautiful jewel tones in this kit are stunning, don't get me wrong, but for everyday kind of wear, I tend to keep to kind of neutrals, and usually that's what I use in my planner too. Then I'm going to grab another scalloped quarter box and then put the little daisy teardrop in the corner because I just wanted to mark that I had no more symptoms or side effects at all. It's just I felt a little run down on Wednesday, but then Thursday I was back to normal as usual, so I was pretty grateful. And then I'm just going to take another skinny star divider from Sadie Stickers, and for my gratitude I wrote the Holo Taco. Then for Friday I'm going to use one of these scalloped quarter boxes and use one of those mini flags in the kit along with another leafy deco from Honey Inked to mark that I did my Beltane journaling, because I completely forgot. I was so excited about how there was like the whole new moon. It was a pink supermoon, and then also at the same time it was Pluto retrograde on the same day. So that's why I use this kit, because it's so celestial. But then how funny that the third reason that this kit being perfect for this week is that it was the week of Beltane, which is May Day or May 1st, which is a pagan like holiday. So yeah, I needed to do some of that journaling so I could kind of celebrate and prepare for Beltane. I'm going to take another one of those daisy boxes, and then the other freebie I have has these adorable like washi strip, faux washi strips. They're so cute, little bow washies. I love them. Then I'm just going to layer a couple of transparent dots, and then I have one of those cute sunburst decos from $2 Tuesday from Sticker Guru, and then I grabbed a dumbbell from the clear sheet of from the kit, and then just wrote back to regular routine with my workouts and stuff. You know, I was doing like lower intensity for Wednesday and Thursday. Actually, I found out Thursday was International Dance Day thanks to my Apple Watch. So Wednesday and Thursday I just did some dance for low intensity cardio, but then Friday, Saturday, Sunday it was back to my regular routine. And then also for my gratitude, on Friday I wrote my aunt's name, Aunt Cindy, because she passed away and I still like to remember her birthday, which is April 30th. So that's what I wrote for my gratitude. Onto Saturday, I'm going to take a Sadie Stickers hollow foil arrow and layer that with the letters to Apollo sparkly, you know, starry deco thing. And then a bow, bow clip from the kit, just to write. I spent some time doing job questionnaires. They send you these assessments, you know, and then they take so long. Like it took me like half an hour to complete it. And I'm like, this whole time I'm so salty. I'm like, I better get a freaking call back for this job. Like, don't tell me I'm over here spending half an hour completing the application, and then now you want me to do another half an hour doing this freaking stupid assessment, trying to determine like my work ethic as an employee. Like, you all better call me back at least for an interview. Damn. Anyways, and then on Saturdays I do a morning walk. So I'm just going to use one of these fun size boxes with a workout icon from the Pretty Pink Co. and then another honey inked leaf deco and then a Sadie Stickers pretty squiggle divider, because Saturdays we go to my in-laws' house after I get off work from my part-time job, just to usually watch a movie and have dinner. And so because we go straight after I get off work, I always do a morning walk on Saturdays. So I just marked my little morning walk with my son. And then also, like I said, I forgot to mark it was Beltane because I am a horrible person. I don't know any of my own holidays. So I'm just gonna take a little thing from the kit and write Beltane with the daisy teardrop and then a little heart cluster from the Giving Girl. And I also wanted to use this really pretty weekend banner that came in the kit because I forgot to when I was pre-planning, and it's super gorgeous, so why not? And my gratitude Saturday was May Day. And then on to Sunday, I'm going to use another daisy fun size box, and then I'm just using that to mark that we took my son to the park so he could play basketball. And then I'm taking one of these scalloped quarter boxes from the kit, but there's so many scallops going on. This is an older format with the Giving Girl. She must have made it like a super scalloped kind of a format, because you know what, I do remember scallops being very much a popular like in kind of trend, you know, but I just didn't want like scallop next to scallop. I already had a lot of scallops next to scallops next to scallops next to scallops, so I just cut them off. I used the clean script from the kit and then this really pretty moon crescent with the gorgeous floral leafy accents from Sticker Guru. I love that icon so much. I wish I had it in a not clear version, like just a white version, you know, white sticker paper. Anyways, then for the basketball, okay, I did this thing. I hope that y'all think it's cute. I'm kind of proud. Okay, it's very creative, a little off the wall. Okay, first of all, I'm going to take the circular bow icon because, like, I don't know, whatever. I needed something else, right? Then I'm taking this trash can from the kit, but it kind of looked like a basketball hoop to me. You know, can you see it? Use your imagination, right? Then I have this squiggle from Sadie Stickers. It's a little too big, so I trimmed it. And then I thought, you know what? It kind of looks like a swish, swish in the air kind of motion. So I took a transparent dot from the Giving Girl and put it like it's going right into the basketball hoop, like it's a purple basketball or something. I don't know. I think it's cute. What do y'all think? Creative, right? I know I'm not always creative like that. Is it jank? Tell me the truth. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to take one last final fun box from this sampler, and I thought this one was so perfect because the purple is perfect and it's got the hollow, of course, which is perfect, and it's got this pretty lace. It's just really, it's like meant for this kit, I think. And I'm just gonna layer that with a pill bottle, RX bottle from Strawberry Creek, and then an RX refill script from Sticker Guru, because we also had to run to the pharmacy on Sunday to refill our medication, well, my medication, and we got some poke for dinner, which I didn't have any room to mark, so I just put it in my gratitude because I think it's a healthy, delicious dinner. I don't get mine with the rice. I always get a poke bowl, and I get it on a whole bed of lettuce, so it's very healthy. Well, I mean, besides for the sauce, but I think that that's probably the least of my worries because I don't go like crazy with the sauce, and everything else is just like fresh veggies and fish. So anyways, I wanted to spruce up Thursday a little bit, so I'm just taking some more of the cute deco, celestial themed deco from Simply Watercolor Co. And then that's it. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can see all of the hollow in its gorgeousness, because it's best to be seen from like direct lighting and not softbox studio lighting. So I turned off my studio lights so you could see the gorgeousness. And that is going to be pretty much everything for this memory plan with me. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps out my channel and I truly appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. And leave me a comment at all. Leave me a comment if you have a question about anything at all. Or if you just want to say hi, I will respond back and say hi back. Because I love talking to y'all. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that you all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!